Hey guys, what's up? It's Monos here with another quick tutorial because I'm getting a lot of questions about how to stop unnecessary notifications on your phone. Sometimes it's really annoying that you receive a bunch of notifications on your phone which is not important. But some notifications are really important that you don't want to miss too. So it's always a good idea to know how to block all those unwanted notifications and receive only the important ones, which I'm going to show you in this video right after this intro. So let's go! Alright, here we come again. So first of all, you need to head over to the setting to do this. Well, you can offer the setting in various ways. You can either do it from the main screen or swipe down the screen from the top and tap on a setting icon on the top right of the screen. Once you hit setting, you will see notification on the third row. Tap on notifications. That's where you select the apps you want to receive notifications from. If you like to get notifications from all the apps, then you can tap and turn on all apps button. Or if you want to receive from just some specific apps, then you can tap and turn on just the apps you want to receive notifications from. Or you can tap to turn off the apps you don't want to get notifications from. It's that easy. Anyway guys, this tutorial is made for Android users. I'm not quite sure about iOS because I don't use Apple products. So if you have any iPhone or iPad, you can check out other videos made on iOS. Well, that's all for today guys. If you have any questions, just comment down below. I will reply you as soon as possible. Finally, if you found this video useful, then smash that like button, and if you want to watch more videos like this in the future, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified of my future uploads. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.